Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So here we are with this awesome set. I loved what we ended up doing with the marble and the glitter, and it was just like so much fun. I loved it. So this client has come in, we've removed her old set, resculpted a couple of nails. So the last time she came, the morning of her appointment, of her last appointment, she had broke a nail and it was like super raw and sore and practically bleeding. And so I was like, let's just ignore that one for now. So we didn't touch it. We just left a band-aid on it and we did the 9 nails. And then it was this nail. And then this time she came back and it had fully healed and it had grown out a little bit. So we ended up resculpting it. So that's why it's like looking a little wonky, because I really wasn't super concerned about the shape because I was still going to shorten them anyway. So I'm coming in on these 3, the pinky, index, and thumb nails with the Glitter Fairy. It is one of the VIP Superfine mixes. I'm pretty sure it's the July Superfine mix, and oh my gosh, this glitter is gorgeous. I absolutely loved it. Totally amazing. And then look at me playing with my camera settings there and decided that didn't work out, so we're going back to the wide angle. But since it is a loose glitter, I'm just picking up teeny tiny little beads of glitter and trying to make it as flat as I possibly can on the nail, so I'm not creating any bulk, so that when I go in and encapsulate this glitter, I can build my apex with the encapsulation layer and I don't have to worry about these nails being like crazy thick and annoying and in the way. So obviously before this I did all my prep work. I took off her old set, re-sculpted that index finger, and I also put a clear base on all the nails right at the regrowth area, just so that we have something to file back to next time. So I'm letting those glitter nails dry a little bit so that I can encapsulate them in a minute, and then I'm coming in on this one with Coconut Milk by Cjp, which is an amazing white. It's just a little bit easier to work with than Snow White. I like it a lot, and we're doing 2 full nails of this coconut milk. And since it is a strength powder, I'm building my apex with the coconut milk, so I'm not going to encapsulate these 2 nails when I go back and encapsulate the glitters. So the brush I'm using today is my Glitter Planet Aqua brush. It's the most recent one. They just released the Galaxy one with the dark purple and black glitters, and oh my gosh, it's like gorgeous. In fact, my client noticed too. She was like, wow, that's a pretty brush. I'm like, I know, right? It's so fun. Love it. So anywho's, I'm still getting used to my camera angle and everything, trying to make sure that I'm in shot all the time, and since I have my new setup, so if I go out of shot or it goes out of focus or something, I apologize. And we're here with the encapsulation layer, obviously using Crystal Glass by Cjp because it is the best and clearest acrylic I have ever worked with. It's amazing. Trying to work a little bit wet to make it so there's no bubbles. Trying to play with it as little as possible, just kind of setting it on the nail, mostly letting gravity do the work and bringing it down, and then swiping it down the nail rather than like patting and pulling. Just because the more you pat it, the more you can press bubbles into it, and swiping is just kind of the better way to go when you're encapsulating, wanting to keep it as clear as possible. So trying to do the same thing here, just build an apex, trying to keep it as clear as possible, play with it as little as I can, and then I go and like pat the crap out of it. So yeah, sometimes I don't even listen to my own advice. Tip just needed a little more, and swiping it back into the nail. And then I went ahead and filed and shaped all of them. I didn't show the filing this time just because I was out of shot most of the time anyway. So, and now I am going in on this one. I've already put a clear base. I just put Accents base gel, it's gel polish base, on top of here just because, sorry, Luxio base by Accents. Just because it helps me with line work to have an inhibition layer to work on top of. It kind of helps keep my brush anchored to the nail so that it doesn't want to slip all over the place. And then it also fills in any of those crevices from my file so that when I lay my line down, the gel doesn't want to spread into all of those cracks and crevices from my file. So kind of just gives me a smoother surface to work with, which I prefer. So we're just doing a little bit of a marble, kind of a subtle, really, really light pink marble, and then we're going to run some gold veins through it, make it, give it a little bit of a pop. So the first brush I was using was my Light Elegance swirly brush from the Selena Riden collection, and then this one is my block brush, and I'm just using a little bit of cleanser alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, to just kind of tap into this gel. I'm pretty sure the gel was the Cat's Meow. It's a buttercream from Light Elegance. It just was that perfect pink that she liked. So I go ahead and tap that alcohol into it, just kind of spread it out a little bit, and then cured it. And now I'm coming back in with a little bit more just to give it, I like to have the spread out, really marbly, soft lines, and then I like to add a couple of really sharp lines so that you get kind of a distinct marble look. That's how I like to do the marble. And she really wanted it to be a really subtle marble and then add that pop of gold. So it just was kind of working out. And after the fact, I was like, wait a second, this looks kind of like a reverse rose quartz, because instead of pink with white marble, it's white with pink marble. It's kind of fun. Sorry, my camera decided not to, I have no idea what it was trying to focus on right there. Like there was nothing in focus at all. But it came back. And then this gold is Glistening Gold, is a gel play gel by Accents. It is an amazing gold. I just love the sparkle in it, and it's such an easy one to work with doing line work and stuff. And it's gorgeous. I love it. Such a fun one. Got all that super fine sparkle in it. It's just like ridiculously pretty. I love it. And again, like I'm over in the corner. Like, what am I doing with the rest of this video space? It's crazy. But anyway, this was just like a super quick and kind of simple set, but I hope you enjoyed it. And then after this, I just top coat them all. And I love this glitter. When you put top coat on it, it just like explodes off the nail like a firework. It's just amazing. Just so much happening with that glitter. I absolutely love it. And then these marbles just turned out great. Oh, I was just so in love with the set. Loved it, loved it. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment below with any questions or comments or anything you want. I absolutely love replying to those. So feel free to drop anything below. And also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do. I've got lots more videos. I've actually got another one here that I'm going to be starting in a second. So I've got another one going, and so you'll see lots more videos really soon. So check out the clip at the end to see the final result of these, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!